Di ba umabot ng 50 words per minute ang typing test mo?
Oh no!
Well, here are the 5 things I did that helped me go from this to this in just 4 weeks. Let's go! Hey, what's up guys? This is Lara, your fabulous healthcare virtual assistant, and today I will be talking about a very important thing in this industry, the typing speed. But before that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos like this. So, madami po ako nare-receive na messages and comments from aspiring HVAs saying na natatakot po silang mag-apply because their score in the typing test is below the recommended 50 word per minute. If you're an HVA and you're currently working with a client right now, if I could ask you for a favor to comment down below your typing speed before the training and after the training so that we would know how much you improved. I just want to know how many of you struggled with the typing test and now you're working with a client, for us to be able to encourage these aspiring HVAs that having a score of below 50 word per minute is not a reason not to become a virtual assistant. In my opinion, if you think you have the right qualifications, like the education and the work experience to be a healthcare virtual assistant, I think it's still a good idea to apply, even though you have a score less than the recommended 50 word per minute typing speed. As a virtual assistant, you need to type fast because somehow it equates to the productivity of the business. To complete your work fast, you need to develop these typing skills. Because typing for me is a skill, and skills are improved using the right techniques and constant training or practice. As you can see in the intro video, I started at 55 word per minute, which is already pretty good. But what I'm trying to say is that I did not stay at the 55 word per minute score. Throughout the training, I was able to increase it gradually, and in the 4th week, I was able to have the rate of 77 word per minute, which is an increase of 22 word per minute while maintaining 100% accuracy. Because aanin mo yung speed if mali-mali naman yung tinatype mo. So, for those people who are struggling with this typing speed, I want to share 5 things that I did for me to be able to improve my typing skills. Starting with tip number 1. Be familiar with the home keys. So, the home keys are like the starting position. Ito yung babalik-balikan mo. Literal, home keys. So, these are the starting positions for the hands. So, I will flash a picture para mas maintindihan nyo. The pinky finger of the left hand is at the A, the ring fingers at the S, and so on and so forth. Basta, sundan nyo na lang yung nasa picture. Kung ano yung kakulay niya, yun yung possible na ma-reach nung kanya-kanyang fingers. So, color-coded yan. Minsan hindi ko sinusunod. But, ang importante is the home keys. So, parang yun yung resting state palagi ng hands nyo. Pag beginner kasi sa pagta-type, halatang beginner sila kasi 2 kamay lang yung ginagamit nilang mag-type. But, sabi nga nila, 2 is better than 1. Lalo na siguro kung 10 fingers ang gagamitin natin para mag-type. So, para mas mabilis ang ating pagta-type. Tip number 2, don't look down. Huwag nyo titingnan yung tinatype nyo. Why? We want to develop this thing called touch typing. The goal is for you to have muscle memory of the letters kung nasaan siya nakalagay. So, paano mangyayari yun kung lagi mong tinitingnan? Sa simula, pwede mong tingnan-tingnan, but the challenge here nga is for you to be able to memorize the positions of the keys and for you to be able to memorize which fingers to touch which keys. I want you to just look straight in the screen kung saan ka nagtatype and saan lumalabas yung letters. So that you will know kung tama or mali yung letter na napindot nyo. Sa una, it's gonna be really frustrating kasi dami mo mali since hindi mo pa nga memorize. But you know, as they say, experience is the greatest teacher. Tanggapin nyo lang na magkakamali talaga kayo ng madami. But it's part of learning experience. Pero once na ma-memorize nyo kasi yun, you can type as fast as you can think. So, ganun talaga yung feeling niya. Have proper posture. Mahirap talagang mag-type kung ganito, okay, ganito, at lalo na ganito. Pero, sasabihin ko sa inyo, yun talaga yung pinaka-komportable position ng nagtatype. Mahirap mag-type kapag masyadong malapit yung keyboard, pag masyadong malayo yung keyboard sa'yo, hindi mo na maabot. Tulad ko, nakaupo ko sa chair, and then yung laptop or yung desktop nandun sa table ko, sa desk, which is yung elbows ko, medyo ka-level lang niya yung keyboard, so that I can be comfortable while typing. It's important for you to have proper posture while you're typing so that you have maximum movements and, hindi masistrain yung mga muscles and your back and your hips and all over your body. Pag mas comfortable ka, mas relax kang mag-type, mas bibilis kang mag-type. Tip number 4, practice. From now on, I want you to stop writing on like a piece of paper or notebook when you're taking notes, especially during training. So, kailangan nyo na kasi masanay talaga na nagtatype kayo kasi that's gonna be your job. So, during training, sinanay ko talaga yung sarili ko na online na nagtatype or you can use a notepad or Windows, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft OneNote. What I personally use is a website called Notion because of its great features. For example, this is my content page ideas for my vlogs. It's in a table form, but I could easily switch it up to a board form or a calendar view. So I think that's what I like most about it. And also it has an app, so I could access it to my phone, through my laptop, and on my iPad. So I could carry the notes everywhere and anywhere. And last but not the least, and my most favorite tip actually, keep calm during those typing tests. Don't think about it too much. I believe the more stressed or pressured you are into getting a nice score for the typing test, the less score you will have. At least for me, that's usually what happens. Minsan, pinakamataas ko yung una kong take kasi wala akong masyadong iniisip. I don't have a score to compare it to. Like, I don't have something to beat. Di ko alam kung nafe-feel nyo din to, pero pag nagta-typing score ako, tapos wala akong masyadong iniisip, parang blanco lang yung, yung isip ko during that test. Mas mabilis talaga yung typing skills ko. Mas mataas yung score ko dun sa typing test. Relax. And try not to think about it while doing the test. I guarantee you, mas mataas yung magiging score mo. Amazing talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain. Comment down below kung nararanasan nyo din yun minsan. Mukha lang ba? And there are a lot of websites who offer typing courses. I tried to link some of them below so that you would able to have a formal typing course. Yes, I guess that's it, guys. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to to improve your typing skills. If it did, comment down below. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Stay fabulously brave and beautiful. Bye! So today, tuturuan ko po kayong magkulot. Charot! And hit that notification bell so that you won't miss And hit that notification bell so that you won't and hit that notification bell so that and hit that notification bell so that ano ba yun? Girl, nakilante ka na. How much you've improved and now you're working with a client. Cut direct, cut. As you can see in the intro, As you can see in the introduction, as you can see, kasi Tagalogin mo na. Nahirapan ka na eh. Nantok na ako.